Hello, my people. Please, the video went off, so I'm just coming back again. So if you are still there, please continue with us. Yeah, I'm just coming back again now. The video just went off because somebody was calling from Messenger, I think so. I don't really know. I was trying to block the person, but the video went off somehow. Yeah, thank you, my people. Welcome back. So, as we were saying, as that our sister, they tell us just now, make these people, make them take sense into their head. Not to make this thing to start growing, because it has already caused a lot of havoc now. People insulting themselves, insulting their tribes over nothing. So please, let me first of all put my number back here. My number back, because people were still going to call in, but the video went off somehow. Yeah. Yes. 3, 4, 7, 7. Hello. Yeah, welcome back, everyone. Welcome back. Please, the video went off, like I said. So, because we still have some other issues to discuss about. So, just like our sister said just now, that people should be careful not to allow this thing to escalate the way they are going about things now. Not to allow it to escalate for it to come and become a tribal problem or whatever. Welcome back, everyone. The video went off. Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you for joining in again. We still have a lot to talk about. So please, everybody, Ishan and Bini, I beg, Mona not go cause a war for our land, since una say una don't frustrate inside Facebook. Make una carry una frustration, take it una self, we don't need war. With the Ishan and the Benin and the Ishans, we don't need war in those states. We don't need war, please. So you people should carry your frustration and go to hell with it. Don't come and use it to cause confusion, commotion in our land. Those states is all one. So that one is aside. Please, let's quickly, because the video is getting longer and it went up before. Another thing we want to discuss about, my people, it's like it's here. Please, if you are here, call in. It's about Ijore Ogunyoba. Ijore no via moze Ogunyoba. Ugbene gboe yegbe. Wa omeme. Ogunyoba. Ya ige wegbe so gie kwa. Ukeregbe Jore no via Ogunyoba. Ijore no via moze ukeregbe. Mami eminula diani do ata loni. Before I will go into this, let me quickly, because there's one lady, I think she's from, I just remember her now, from a God Sent family. So that lady, sometimes she do audio also. So I think there are 2 ladies like that. The one I'm referring to now is not the lady that did this coronavirus video that day, to give information to people that those things the Chinese they brought, nobody should use it at home. It's not that one I'm referring to, because that one, then each time she come out, everything from she's going to talk about, no one where you fit through way inside. She's very sincere, she's very direct. But the other audio lady that I'm trying to talk to, whether they call it, they didn't get. My sister, It's not just by coming out and start talking pra. Awa do akare me kwa do avaleme emiene go avaleme. I'm telling you. At least who can tell anything this audio no una uwe age one age de matter no. So try and think about what you are really going to say on that audio, because sometimes I don't know the way your words are going. Abado hareme I mean wanegwa kara me no ma atala jan webu aga ege emi no gba na kian no ma gba no a da emi ne Beatrice okpa ikawu da bi e do ekino do da go o kian tie ni egwa isef e ga o egijeke wo kian tie ni baba gmeso so we can think I we ma beg ni ama iwo ze no do da bi e do enu we run da wure gosen family u do agbego ne gmeso eri Beatrice ladian yan ka wason agbin na negwa. That was then. Donna sunu udameo eni egije na. No na wa mu vie do here oga finu gie here oga rovie here. Both indirect and direct. Beatrice okpa ka ya yo rovi vie do here. Do we bege mana wa we bege. You understand? When wana the same God send family. When me no heke no we ka mokpa ka. No rie nwa yerere wu we gi oni yata. Yeri oka gbina nedo. So my sister, even if most of your audio no no lawa, I always share it and I appreciate them. You understand? But kin we wado adona. Wa no agbene Beatrice gbegwene ngokpa ika no ya adu ekin mu vie do ya gboto hian. Okpa ika hian ti owa no hopo a hian ti e baba gmeso isef. Egi o jano jane vie do ya fe. So it's not supposed to be like that, eh? Ronda amiene gwa latin do atie papa do akare me kwa nyagbe me na tabunu na aga ege amiene gwa valo ima ya wawe vale me so I can come out right now as I'm here to start saying all rubbish, you understand, and nobody is going to hold me. But one veni magive jena magive be caverio so mwake agua uo emeno atagi emeno atala jan webo emeno gba no emeno magba no eri okpa ikaga agbina nedo. That was then, you understand, not now. We can't do how we man bego ze no okpa ikagi ude right from time. So but let's just leave that aside. If you reply me, I'm going to come back to reply you. You understand? So, in fact, let this video not be too long. Mateni here Akberane. So, that is that. Hello?
Hello.
Yeah. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, welcome.
Hello.
Yes, I'm hearing you. You call. Let me hear you. Yes, you are very welcome. Contribute. Why we no buy matek mon la dian sesin.
Yeah, okay. Now, wa imula akaene. Emani ma mwe boje school o ka we isan edu eopa.
Yes.
Every man no banedu. Oh yeah, ha so tesa yon esa mo ba.
Okay.
Papa, control son. Let to all the me ta me wo ni pudiam. Dia ma Jesus when ya tota. Esa mo ba, okay ni ave me oba.
Ha o pa kai wa la dian odoje no je yakin king. Huh? Ama o mami no ta o my sister all this why. I my be say yo e. Oh yeah adonya. Akina ya mwe dogbo to ni hinia.
Now, because why?
Yeah, we have war. When
you stop it, because Emma, no guy do this, when no pretty man, no hammer, no do guys. When you have a Facebook.
Okay.
Very man, they are the thing because essa vedo me quem o ateji di ebe ya egwe obiera bije eyin so on Facebook na do ami area esa area me ma understand I no understand at all eneneni okpa monti cause me make ne that do get erigo eni me egwe eri manetu o nya do sotesan yo ba no ruleva
eri ono
the same thing a governor of Edo State or a ruler a governor of Ero. So I can't do it because it's causing more commotion. Because according to Venuta, we're all stuck in my soul. I don't ever saw them up my own. Even when I'm here, a Dove son of Marek Benya, this thing can bring public. It's not good. Because there are some people, they are one-way traffic.
Even my sister La hold on, La no continue. Mommy, when a boy ne ya emphasize on okay, wagagi you know he so much emphasize on it. Those are the Asian people ni waruwe Facebook unani kagmen have those wrong comments. Kevin ya deba jore novi omoze deba monkey face. Because that thing has sunk into his head already. He has now begun to develop that hatred towards the Beninese. So he was trying to, if you see how he was, you could see how he was hitting so much on that word to make sure it gets into people's head. He so much emphasized on that point where wagegi di huedo. Udame this. Consolvela niere ne. Eriwana we do mi via dogmasoni ano wa we do la reverio emina na do ya sioko we dove.
So what everybody that put an end to it. Now they time because no gi swave ba no gi time here all ya said all ya cynical.
Yeah we are boa.
Come on no gi o no ga bo yeri mabu etie do ga gbe.
Oh we are boa. Yeah we are boa.
So all the people want to okay, I have to take one now. Now I forget it matter now with Facebook. And two, okay, let your man go call the bank say. Again, that mock back.
Oh, okay.
So that's how we where it's hook up about no, it's not true. Or only sa or only be to.
Eh.
Where it's already if you go my am where you are we here to show. You not ba ilele to show. Mommy we get to party it's for everybody. Our way but esa uko but uke san really do. DJ show ubije so give my way.
Okay. Because that video you may want me the title image.
Apart from yet to be sakaka, you already came
Mm.
Understand?
Yes.
Okay. Way some barrel. If not time where while we sound now the way to be some married to it's available. It's married to Benin is available. Benin want to look for their partner too is available. If you go with Diego, understand? So I have a better call so now when they have to understand?
Damn you. You charger ide.
Okay. So, because the two always but someone way your way is sound but everybody go there.
For the boat, okay.
Yes, can don't get saki bien
Wage tove we another video no na we have your still money me ba no we agwan kan.
Oh, any no time because they don't will have video the where they are married. You need people. If you don't need the saki
yes. Oh, come. Oh, ibiri nonia. What say you? Ah, hello. Yeah, we have one. Again, no. Agua, all love can there or you get monkey facey. Again, ya lela imi bukbona. Ululo ya la imi egege no. Oh, we one. Hey, oh, where say you? I'm so grateful. God bless you. Thank you so much. Okay, yeah. So, thank you, my people. Thank you. It's like lots of people now, they are not here any longer. Maybe they didn't know I came back again. So, that is that. So, Ijore Novia Mose, wega aguguapa. Let this thing not escape me. So, in a way, Mami Ijore Ovia Mose, uhuwe, oi bata, niviedo yagba. Ruda ogiedo eweki, uhuwe jore, oi bata niviedo yayari loto. Ijore Novia Mose, ogioba, iguhuwe ijore, uhuwe jore Novia Mose, oi bata ni viedo ya fe gbayari lisan ni ayari lahio. I bata ni viedo yari liku. Ijore no ovio moze. Ijore na migbo. Ijore no vio moze iguhuwe. Uhu susu no guyani numeni. Oi bata runda ogien do eukun. Ogien do eukun jore. Ogien ba, ogien do eukin. Unwe jore, oi bata ni viedo yagba, yagbo, yagbugbo, yagbogo. Unwe ni ijore no vio moze. Iwo ibata ni viedo yagba, nuwe na ogien do ni. Unwe jore no vio moze. Oi bata ni viedo ya fe gba ni ayari loto. Ni ayari la isan, ni ayari la hiyo. Ibata ni viedo ya ni ayagbo ni ayagbogo. Unhuwe no, ijore no vio moze unhuwe no. Unwo ibata ni viedo ya fe gba yaje toileti. Ni ati evedoi elatiri. Ibata ijore no vio moze. Unhuwe ijore no gieldo. Ijore no yes ijore is osu. She's osu. She's an outcast of Benin Kingdom. She have been cursed. So that's why we are now using her head to match all the shit in Benin, all the dustbin. Ijore no vio moze unhuwe o tiku no redo ya fe. Unhuwe jore no vio moze. Oe. Ibata. Ni viedo yagba. Yaje toilet. Yaje latrine. Ijore no vio moze. Manu wewe. Date egbewe no makokwe. Nuna doho huwawe niya. No biona ya mufia. Dauna wuhu egbewe ya fegi ya ruwukbu nu ya nwame. Mena la diando kama wewe dene na wukeregbi. And ni lema do kama wewe gemina ijuwe yawu. Unhuwe aya zese ni viedo ya fefefe ne do aya de no ya majori. Unhuwe jore no vio moze. Oi bata ni viedo ya gba. Ije ekikeki. Ofisi ni viedo nagi nwina. Ekikeki ni agido. Ugbo vogo ni viedo gigbe. Oti kuya fe no giro tu huwe do iwu huwe ni no. Huwe jore no vio moze. Viedo yagba. Ni aya ni aya machisan. Iya macha hiyo. Ijore no vio moze. Ogun oga gbuwe. Ogun nebere oga gbuwe. Ogun nebere oga gbuwe. Asigidi oga gbuwe. Wa lowo kane deri ore. Ijore no vio moze aiwere gbe mi adawe. Ikun wa aga mowoto Parisi. Wa agun ogun ogbuwe. Ije no magati ewe mu po na gege. Asigidi no giobu. Ogati ewe mu wa lowo kane deri ore. Wa ju hu ebe ku emi. Wa afian wa deva wa. Ijore no vio moze. We ugu no gbe kandi o ga gbo ugu do di o ga gbo po na yo renovi omoze uhun e bi edo ya o ibata ni bi edo ya gba yo we ya je keke ya fe ni ajo uhun we ni no son no ni uhun susu uhun no guya no mure ni ijo renovi omoze nu doze ve live video na doze meme yu egbe uhun we ni ake banpa agi ya zese nedo aya zese nedo ne anawe ni wie edo ya fe ni avio ye owe ni aya aje dade kene ni agiri nori ugbo nori ogo nori eki nori latri nori bathroom nori otiku ya mu ikukua ana iwe ivie donia since agije uhun yore novio moze ya zese ne ge ogion ba ogion sa ogion do so nagi je no ikewo ne da doge ga gba bi bata uhun weni agi ya wi bata kian o to edo ivie do ya ke ni redo ke ni risi uhun we ijore ogi bata no ro ri mahia we o ibata ni magi ya je ekeke hia ni marie jore novio moze ogun ogbo eva bola we gbe wa gbon wa de fin amu wa lowo kan edere ori ugu no gbe kandi oga gbo ugu paipai oga gu bona oga gbo e o yore novio moze uga mi un ya lupona fo ebo panya inage mu gbo evedo upona iya woni nu buyan ade ije no my wondi eti we giege e die do ya gbegbegbe yan mudia yan wenu lai mi egege o yore novio moze. Right now let me stop here first. Una ladian uwo we eri okwo pado ayin mi e ona minamio. First of all, to start with, uwe ken joni yakane ya wu me power ugele hoho avegbe ya uhoho avegbe ya aka minamio ma deji emi esoro edeso gwaro emi we ovie e uwe minami udave omea nu wegi na do leva khani awe nu bado mo ko ni je lai we eri o minamio ave metobi me minami we nejori asazen nuhin azen nuhin na egani ya fesi we ba sopa ve audio ina minamio ina ri ogwe ina ya hu egbera me mai eke no wegi tinla vigize yo we ni huwe. So azen is very easy na minamie number one, and you can as well dream of other people depend on sometimes what you think of nuhin minamie. That doesn't mean when you ya deceive me we to me power ijore o no gun ana gbuwe we no gbuwe no kpona asigide no gi obo anati ewelebe yimi egegege ayela la na gbuwe no ana de ya oru no ana de vai wo ne wu no gbe kandi ye no gbu okpona ijore no vi omoze lare da wan we you ya demonstrating ma get to me power I can mean na mi o ma de Gumeje were etina ase tie ni ebe obukana be ni edo yebo sagbe onruwe etina okun ogai osagbe onruwe e gwa ka mwege no gba oge no ga ame liver problem obukani kedowu we no so se oni masen we ya demonstrate my vi agmogun me power amina miki ni kiati no kwabe buhe aka etina go sagbo ruwe no vi okun ogai ve kidney problem eni ro woka ase jore no vi omoze umwe power bon avance no mana kio etina yi nunaido aka geri amina mio Wema minami anybody there abi uma evi ede na idomina kan ru pa ama iwa zeve nu weje ugwe ni afile boko a vedo ge Christian ukin a prophetess no my boyfriend, a prophetess of Black and White Penis Ministry veniti ewe when you feel a bokwa. Huh? But that same me boni e webekin. Uminaba sokpa wo wedding una wa rekokpa iana wa yekeno ba ya mai. Elni egwa na nute aspire o, that is a kosa o efowa venumana legbo bare wo vi oba uma legbo bare a o efo igba igbogma tama we na we yan we queen ni wigbo do pa o me queen ugu yana wa yekeno ba mai the next una wa mi so yana wa do ye ogo pone queen no nuwe the next yana ga vigwe vie yo wo we. Oh man, no ebo. I have vivie your wear. I have ebo working very only. Do not hear boy prophetess of Black and White Penis Ministry. I have ebo working video. A pastor. Where do I mean where a vivie your way? And no ebo working. One agbe by call. I don't want you to egbe masaso viere nia. Ivie mami eni vie no wabe taye vai do o de no ne even ladian no nia u ve gbobe vanya wo avie. Cause if ho be obokaniti no ya boy mami mumu. Ki vie. Ivie wa ge vie be honi ogboa buke lajin pona. Wa ho wa. Aba ya do ka wetu me power. Wa go bu ya mi na mi Tania. Wa go ya mi na mi Ama mi wa no mi na mi wa de. Tina, coronavirus of Ironania. Wa mi fi agbo ave coronavirus. U we ye lockdown ya. Nene lockdown o ye be mugwe as a prophetess. U might find the cure to coronavirus. Tina okunga ovokani we no success uro woka se might think bauge na gele ya evenu me power go sagbo ru o sokma ado mi no mina mi no yari eki ai wuwe betun ogi mina yana ya hange ki ai for Joshua wa gbe onya o you can even deceive, you can only deceive those like you. Oh meme no mama gun igbuwe we ya zese ne no to edo ni ya duna veni taina we ni magiya wi bata nori ogbo nori ogo nori office o nori otiku o nori toilet o nori bathroom o we magiya le hia hia magiya macho to hia mache ya hia o Kwa fia wuve no fia wunena ukpona no lulo aya laimi ijore no vio moze wa gbe ohun no wia ohun no go wa fia wu awo gbe no ni do ate bi aya mi na mi ado isini nu ya hasani ani ado a confess ni jore igbo okwo isi oga gbo o Oko isi oga gbo no pa iwu yen ladian erin yen ga mo isi 5000 oko isi 5000 oga gbo o jore no vi moze o oga gbo hun oko isi 5000 iwe no gbo e kan o iwe no gbo hun o iwe no gbo e lajin o oko isi oga gbo e kan o jore no vi moze Edie do ya edien do ya fe ebokpanya ina mugbo edien do ya gbegbegbe iyan wori okin aje no oko isi oga mi ebegbe o won oko no yari eki abu we toilet oga mi ebegbe ogun oga gbo opona ogun de bere oga gbo oga yuhun se fa o ugulo ife bona gi no kuwe ke mo ki fesi ya mwege do ya fe uwa Biafra novi obaze iwe ulule wa ya la imi ukpona igbe weregbe okuwa igbe gbo ga nyuwa wa ga mina mi o mila nupocho yo ga gbelu wa la to imi ukpona na mu ena ije no ma ga ti wa mu ele o ga gbuwa din gini din kuwa ke gbuwa no ma gi gbuwa de Wake do kin ogin ba kin ogin sakin ogin ebo na kin ogin edo. Eri o kin aje nu wa ge mi hu o wa mi hu ulule wa ya la ipo na mu ena wa no so idoka ma wene o ni mai ju hu we ya wu ijore no vi moze idoka ma wene we de na ai ka ya zese ne do ya de wu hu we ni hu isusu no mu hia no buya ni ana ido we ma leva sevania venagi ju hu ijore no vi moze ya zese ne do ya de nia ibiedo ibogo zege nogi kewo wa igajo ni ya iri lotohian o wa ya ekeke nu wagiri ebiedo hu ijore no vi moze ogi bata ni magbayo we o ni magiya iri le ije keke hia fe ni magiyari loto ni mayari lotiku ni mayari le ekeke hia no ni mayayu gbogbo so hu yore egi no viedo when do kam wa ogogo magijo mani viedo ogogo magijo ijore go via moze ojuhu ese o bene mayata ekege ade ojuhu ese uhu egi jore no via moze magi ya zese ne do ya duna o ogi bata ni magi gbahia ni magi ya macho to hia ni magi ya mache ekeke hia fe so that is that. My people, if you want to call it, you can call. Oko isi ogwe kan ogun gbu kan tende ika kama wejo ina weje bo ate ebo ni aye gweze confession danu ya hasani ani confession no ma hon afinrangi mueni confession no ma hon o ami ategbe eba egi kan iwe nu je bo ate we hey Runda eman when ya hasana ni no do awe confession ani. Where these people you are taking advantage of them. We mani mobore campi no. Emani menwina we here. And again they have been wayward. Right from time. They have become wayward. So anything at all, that's that. No, emoki fesi. Sango nebo we ewe no buera nya o era emokifes I sango nebo we wenu ya gbere emokifes o I sango nebo we mu gbera o emokifes era no ma ewe ya koko no ma gen ewe ya itie we ovi na ni edogwale psychiatric mo pa ni egari mo yarie Isango nebo we emokifese ewe no gbera o asigidi we no gbera ipepe no ge obo ewe no gbera o ewe no gbera o edien do ya gbe boto en upona emokifese eleon ewe no gbera o motor accident ewe no gbera kedene na pa edene ra wo ni ewe regbe la motor emokifese Iwe ni moto ni oga mi accident erapa iwu moto ni erapa iwu I moto accident ewe no gbera accident iwe no gbera mo ki face accident yo so pe kan iwe no gbera ele ewe no gbera avanukun ewe no gbera avanukun mo ki face ewe no gbera o ogun oba ogun ogene ewe no gbera o ogun nebere ewe no gbera o mo ki face bokpanya yi nogiro tu hu agbona ya fe nogiro tu edo ewe no gbera o mokifesi ewe no gbera egegegege ululera ya la imi o mokifesi mokifesi mofiuji igululera ya la imi bonamu ena egege ati oga tiramu egegegege wo ebe imi Ogun oga gbo emokifesi ogun oga gbera ati ati oga tiera mu emokifesi o egbegbe oga nyera era wu ege mi hu ya loke na blue bode ege no e moki face ogun agbo ogbele wi ebo nugu bi eleni yuwa o iwi jonki nu bi eleni runda ebo weni ebo ake ni yebo e moki face e money no bi eleni asigidi no bi obo e go no gbele yan yuwa o e go no gbele yan yuwa o I don't know where this person is calling from, whether from messenger. When I will get you later, you'll be asleep. Because I'm not having a video now, you're feeling. Because you saw the other number that people are calling there. Call through the other number and stop disturbing my video, please. Don't let me. So, no, moki fesi. Ogun bagun rene, ogun nebere. Era, egegegege. Bokpanya yi no gira do ipepe wu yen ti era o. Ije no mai, ogwo lule era, o kin aya laimi. Ogun oga gbu egbera mo ki fesi egbe nukere, egbo meme nukere egbe ni howa. Egbe ni ma en egbe ni sono, egbe no bio meme. Nukere mo ki fesi. Igu hun wa ya bi ehwe mi bupo na line. But I've been calling you now. I'll be calling you, my daughter. Okay, let me call you back. I don't know why. Okay, you are calling from this side because I was surprised. I said I didn't write this number on. Let me call you. Where will I call you? Is it which of the numbers? I know. I've seen. Yeah, I saw you. I'm trying to call you back now. Because I called you before too. But you didn't pick. Hello, Whitney. I'm calling you now.
Hello.
Meka wati wesi because when I do I call it lono na re o ka fi the video ina we agi me no banai o me me je wu wo pa mo
me no mo ko je
yo
yo ge mo ki face wo ga wo ki o pa
re anya he gbona gi no lule hi aya laimi ogi oba ogi do ya fe oge biniki don oge egwa ulule ya ya laimi orun da e ma si ememe yin agbe
ato
ogun oba agbele yan po na ga gbelegbe ni akere
ise
ori ogbeleze yan ahian yobo eyan ga gbewu
ise
no
ise jawe ni ka yan si mo ki fe si yan isi e digye upo na
ke gbijore no vi omoze
Iya
hiya keni ase keni arame
ya rumani iya na we the great kingdom of Edo State of Benin Kingdom eya wi ya to ya fi gbege emi temi tan so yan ga so bo ru yan
ya wi egwa hi egwa egbe ni akere gwa ya wi egwa
ke mo ki face ana miege on a bien nuisance on a meta na ya pie gboma we mo ki face ni ara flushing afwa
iya rie
na egbo we mo ki face ta wa yo to ya dun hun wo re wa flush I can't because I want to cause nuisance
boni me wati we naga igwere gbe mi o move mo ki face ve ijore va voto edo ni here not only in Benin Kingdom but to edo o move ugwa Biafra go vi obaze keke vijore go vi omozeve mo ki face na igwere gbe mi a voto edo ni ki eke Mexico udame yo Emata wa no my sister ovi me ni gu egun emata otana runda o mama de bie o mama senenani
na ya de mo ki face me bie rania o ma yeah, no, je na but to the like ruda na rudo montan ko samo ya wo montan ja bia ya gwa rudo montan no bia na ya ajoja no viere ama de bia ma se na ya bie gbo be mo ki face
era me mo bogbe na ni ruda mo ki face ye wu na meji ti ebo ni era me gi mo bogbe na o sie o ma keke no wa bia mo dan o ma ama bia ma se
o ma de bia ma se
iye ho iye ebe na ya bia yen gwa akoko mo
ve ni ya wuya ya fi gbe jo te toni ama we no ha nenege
wa kan guy eri ono
so e no kwa ya te ya hu
ya we wa
o te ya hu te jo ya hu te hweri ya te hu jian cause the grape niki don check na fi gbe kie ama we ni ya
ere mo ki face yen gi lupo na fo ogun ni zide we no gbere mo ki face wupo na ogun ni zide Ruda uwa Biafra no ro vijore no vyo mozeni gi mera meje so e mo ki face o gi je mera pa ogun ni zide ogun nebere ogun no kagele esu no kagele egbe no gbere mo ki face upo na ega mi hun ruda weti do bi o meme mu fi agbon no do apopo bi agbon kwa for nothing we expect we gbe oko na opia egbega were gbe oko egbegbo ga nyo o ere mo ki face egbega ize nyo pe ana u ya la moto won ekenu memerie I moto ni omi accident work by wu we ere mo ki face ere gbe no jenu mo fi uji ogiso no no we e ki godore I ka ma egba igbogban mo ki face ya gwali godo we be desert runda me ma ke ni godo je be do to edo ni we are sabisa forest no are desert u ya gwale na ti godo so e odoni me shoga me meji no
since gbogbo kiyan we igerima Avie mi no ma mi tan ona to stop there opa ga talk pe eri ma
se
ori yo ki on tu kie
ise opa ga talk pe
o pa sha wo stop we bonana o deri ma I might gogo ye mi ni I ma sha bi ki we ya awu hu tan
egi emi orere no uvedo ni bi edo ya fe ni mahia fe the whole of Edo State o ha mo do tere donia e yagisi obo o ha me gi jebe no ka jebe do
ato
so ebe oni opa coronavirus na ne we mi o ma no gbebe do o ke la dia deri ona ka zese hia no he ke ona ze hia udame yo egi ebe no ya mudiani mahiani risi me no mudiani mahiani o mudiani no rogwa me mi opa no ri o ma ona we eri meme line egbe o yin na we eri meme video live video do si meme yin egbe o yin na igata le me ni ama e mo ki face ga la jan wetin e fight freedom Benin is not that Benin kingdom is not under any type of slavery apart from that it's not by being abusive that you fight freedom. When fighting freedom you have to be diplomatic. You don't go about to insult.
The people now they on that slavery. Not fighting freedom.
Okay. Then again, me natana. Udawe. Slavery ye we freedom.
That slavery. When you are fighting because I don't tell to. My that slavery. My anything.
Ogizegwe shogore kon ona do lave presenters in of your picture ladian ona be do la imagine when that was about 2 years ago na me no wire sun then the next thing ona we no igwa no gbin na ni e kin na igberegberi agbonari ave na eyin yegido imu oboji no ogun ni zide igbe no gbere mo ki face upo na
ise
ogun na me ogun asan ogun avan igbe no gbere mo ki face upo na ge no to ga le accident igere mo ki face o ga ju hun e bi e ko imi la o ere o ga gin ere mo ki face wo so ke na lubode ege mi hun ya la imi Ogun oga gbe ogun asan guava. Esu no kagele. O mi la nikpete oyo. Isango nebo we. Asigidi no gyobo. Ikpepe. Gege. When watiere mokifesi mu. Watiemu. Otuwe minoje. Watiemu. Oguna, this Oguna, so you go seek this lunatic would be Timothy, where they write nonsense here, so Timothy, Yaji Timothy. That Ogun, now I say make it still kill you before I'll kick your ass now. Your ass, I'm going to kick it and it will go and land in hellfire. As I'm kicking it right now, your ass, that your dirty ass, where the nerve they take train una. May I first talk to you before I go kick you. So where they not they take una not take get home training from the family. When I don't understand this kind of useless family wanna come from. Timothy, Yaji Timothy, whether you be, I know say you be fake account, eh?
Fake account, no.
Yes, fake account. So this Ogun when I swear for Mokife's father, so yes, your own papa too. If you don't die, you go carry all this course with Mokife's. If your papa don't die, you and your mama una go use una head to follow Mokife's to share this course. So now so it go be for you wayward child, a child without no home training. Make Ogun kill your father, kill your mother. You, this Timothy, we can't write this rubbish. You have the infantry to come on my own platform. If I'm seeing you now, I would have given you a dirty slap before I kick your ass. You understand? So I'm coming for you right now. Wayward, nuisance. Where do you be illiterate? When una not get home training from the home when una come from, when una can't become nuisance and lunatics, you people are now a threat to the public, to the society. May God punish you. May the gods and ancestors of Benin land, yes, may the wrath of the gods of Benin land and ancestors fall upon your family right now. You this fake account Timothy Yayi. May it never be well with you from this day, with your family, your family from this very day onward will remain restless. Yes, every piece, single piece in your family, I declare to vanish, to disappear from your family right now in the mighty name of Jesus Christ and of the gods and ancestors of my land. You do you and those people supporting the lunatic Mokife's over there. Or that lunatic prostitute of Uwa Biafra. May Biafra kill una no one walk. Biafra will never come. Biafra is not going to come. You are not Biafrans, you are not Igbos. You understand? You are a group of criminal organization. Violent people. You understand? So you people are Biafra. Nobody know where you guys came from. You understand? So Biafras will never come. Biafra can never exist. It's not going to be actualized. Biafra can never come. You guys are too nuisance. You are too arrogant. You are too violent. You understand?
Even if they want to fight for
No me. Even Nnamdi Kanu. Let me tell you, my daughter. Nnamdi Kanu came out and said that Edo is not involved in Biafra. You understand? Abohana ni aga memena, go memena uwa Biafra ye ladian waiting a campaign. Oh man, when we campaign now, that one has already said that Edo State is not a part of Biafra. If at all Biafra is going to be. If at all Biafra is going to come, that man said it with his own mouth that Edo State is not in any way involved at all. No aga meme no la bia kana hu. You gele yan egeti yan meme. So let me get this idiot out of this place.
Yes.
Egbe okiyan. Ukpona no olule ya ya la imi. Ogin edo ya fe, ogin egwa. Ogin edo keni ase keni arame, ogin Benin Kingdom, ogin oba me ga talk pe, o ga talk pe o ye po mo ya dugie. Oba e baba. We say baba we gbi mani we ya fe we wina no jenima.
Eko rima yo eko wari rima no mo to no ma ivie to ni ma ne regba na ne gbe oho no mo to no ma waye pun. So ni e do aye egbe wa we awu tare mo kiki face wa vie abi jore abi yave abogi opana to
ubona abogi opana ya mosto lagwa ke no deba no dawe de bayana we tada de bayanga a boy na no da wa be ladiana ope no ke aje mo ki face ike amaterere Emmanuel agbogun ati e boy ni ne no wa be naide ope no ikelele o yeah here no ukpona gise eri oni wa
ne ka make na tia ni atia opeya ya afia wo pan ukpona
yeah we egwa ulule ya laimi ekeni ase keni arame no ogin oba ya fe wàásù hungu ukpona laina ima gba ko wa ti ma mu egbe ko wa before December wa hia manala wa eti my man ima mu dia ko wa ke wa ya na ebe do ala diana because I tebe ka do ma no ite ka we boy na wa be de bage Emmanuel agbogun
imagine
udame yo so no eri ma be yagba ke yan o ukpona ogise wetin yan kan mi we baba ye o
na kuku pa he yan o che me ne ma alu yan le tian
yeah okay
mi do pa ba ro ni ahan meti o
mi ro pa yes a kan agbe yin anu beje na a kan agbuku e wa yes we to ha mo ma we wa gen ya me mi pa ni afin agbo a
ni aya tutu ni atuna ni o ha ma ze o ga tin wa fan but se wo boda na be je na o na be we he mi aya do atabi fun na do atabi live video ya wori ya ku ya wa be ye na chosa no boy technical
Eriono Kakabonia, that one is settled already.
Sure.
Ulule no, ya laimi, egege. Yes. So, wano, ama, do ye me no agwa ye gwasha, do me ni other thing.
Yeah, well.
Okay.
The weekend now.
Okay.
Call you.
Mwesi. Ko wese no na de ba me Rika ina we imabe o very ogugo pa me my other number. Yeah. Okay. Ko west.
God bless you.
Ke we me sabo ari etin ba my tin fi agbe ma hia. Me na ya me wa kula bo gyan ba na ya la bo ge no ni ayu hu bi ehwe mi bo ni ayu hu ge ni ayu hu ya se fai. Ya ile la imi ge. Ko ihan gi ma wese Hello, my people. Thank you so much. Thank you. I think it's enough now. I don't really know what else to say. Yeah, it's been long. You know, for those of you that didn't join us before, please, there was another video where we started. It's just that a call came in and I was trying to stop it and the video went off. So there's part 1 of this video. Thank you all so much for being here. Thank you. Let me see some comments now. I did read one single comment today. Yeah, thank you all so much. Thank you. Thank you, my brother. Thank you. I don't know. I think you are a brother. Yeah, I think so. A sister. Please. Thank you. I've been seeing all your comments. Thank you so much. Nagmori Enrielezi Odan. Very nice, beautiful name. I love this name. Oh, in fact, I ever talk about all this tribal, I would like call it now, whether traditional names, you know. So, thank you so much. I've been seeing you, all of you. I'm so sorry I couldn't go through comments today because there was, really a lot to talk about. Thank you all so much. People that call in also, in one way or the other, you have participated. I thank you all so much. May the Almighty God bless you all. Thank you. Yeah, so he said black and white ministry. No, black and white cassava ministry. There's it, my sister. Thank you very much. Yeah, it's really cassava. They call this thing. Yeah, because that time I gave it to her. It's getting to 2 years now. That Yore prophetess of black and white penis ministry. That time cassava have not come out. You understand? They have not been using cassava. So that's why I think this one, yeah, I will come and include this cassava. Yeah. Yore prophetess of black and white cassava ministry. And that's so it dream see me. Just tell them now. Just tell them how you take dream see me. Thank you, my love, my daughter. Thank you so much. Just tell them now. Just tell them. You forget to sagbo ruwe. It's in our kwanga and namugu when we baoge. From a liver kidney, a liver problem. I mean, umami me fiang boa. A coronavirus in here since 2 months. Nobody have stepped out. That dog got solo. When we were prophetess of the universe. Umalaje don't find a solution to this coronavirus. Also, no mean all those your ufo where I get with a me bomb have a bava a vave or 2 mona jore novia moze ubiki ubelukokoshi. Me okpani guy use inu. I mean okpani maeta. Understand? Yesu. Huh? Just the third now. Just the third. Gene kuemu. Azagmo azemi. When ya feel bokwa. Eman wekani ya feel bokwa ni we mina anaga gbivie you away. Well hebo. Huh? Why got here Jesus, you got here Nikau. Jesus, it is Diani Jessigi. Am I side in Nujevo? Azagmo azemi. Abo hebo mama so we no nazi. We no riazen na ya muria. O hebo mama soni o bo mama soni. Wa giwa. Eno giwa nena. Wa gbe onyawo. Contact them. You know how many gun? How many gun there be? I want to spell a gun in your man. Man waka. Who are famous? Majesku. I want no majesku no famous. A queen wow. Nekbo Maria. The way are you take boya queen? Uhu. Like manakba igo ni scam uja sende eva gie manima ego gyomba ukin wo runda o manakba kin ego gyomba we hin no mi we va evo wo gyomba vie va na kewe bore ni agele accept no ana suhungu we no suhungu nena uhun no guya hun no go wa gbe onya o abo bonu we finu ge yan mama se we gba igbogbon oko sisi analawe gbe 5,000 gun o isi aya gboa o to Paris ni age mi kun we wa le mi wiwa o age gbe mi gbo ma we gba va age mi gbo ma we va ijore no vi omoze edede me degino o to asuhungu o asuhungu wa yu ho ebie ho mi le la gege gbe gbona ga we gbegbo ga nyo egbegbo ga nyo gbegbo de gbe oho eti woligi no te wonu sigiedo ihe ogedo ohun aya gbabanire ohun aya biekwe mi no come. So that is that, my people. Oh, thank you all so much. I will give bana iya mosto suhu bona lai na o it's too much okpe na ke hunwa ya wasu hu egege wetin ami mi fi agbo ave ne do ya mi we bae o manu gwa gwa avia da ise bwa mabege ama igwe isa lo boy live video wa doze meme je hi agbe ama mi nari why Jesus ama mi for nothing sake even wekere a live video na wa do suja working on meme Magian negbu magian vonukere for nothing sake. David not ayine awe wage matayan betani awe emieso gelero noksunu. I understand. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. All in the name of live video. Oh. You know, you may what I ban. Oh, gele o mama bie o masenina. That me might be me akwa begene na be I would think twice, you know. Oh see a dobe I would be already a remoki face or wound. But okay nani me you may be so near wo so no uke gwegwa at least yen me vane mo eniki no we bi ani mo eniki when on the fo when on me gbeli kian when on the fo when mo eniki eteni be meme and besides now ebe boagmo bi oina ami ebo no ke Spain re ami no ke Italy re ami no ke Germany re, you know ogwejerio ebo ave Russia be ya setian osun ave Ukraine umu ubi ati emo no bi enu emo won deva wo money ogun oga gbele ayo ogege ogun nebere ogun nizide oga yiwo eni ri emoro egegegege o ya gbera ni o igbe o ya gbe ya mufi okenalu bode era ya gbeli kian e okenalu bode emi o de la imi o ya bibiwa eri o hin aje no mo kifis ugugwa era wiyen gwa egbe no kere wiyen gwa. So thank you all so much, my people. I'm about to end this video. Really, it has been so long. If there's other things I couldn't talk about, maybe I will still try to find time to come out tomorrow to make video about it. Okay, thank you all so much, Pretty Whitney. Thank you, Becky Godwin. Everybody, in short, I thank you all so much. Don't be annoyed that today I didn't read comments. I was just trying to make these things in rush. You know, this Odionosage video that we started with, I saw it just this night. Even in the next 1 week, I was not planning to come out at all to say anything. But the video so provoked me somehow, because these things they are trying to practice now, it can lead to anything else. It can lead to something else which we don't expect. We might just be thinking it's we the Ishans and Benis that we are doing it on Facebook. But if we continue like this, it's going to cause a lot of damages in the future if we don't stop all these things. Ishan and Benin, we are one. So I will conclude with that. You understand? But that doesn't mean, like I said, the Ishans, they still need to come out to apologize, because they have really tell your people to stop insulting Esan people. They should stop calling them names. No, I don't understand. Calling themselves or what? Yeah, it is both sides, my sister. You understand? Pretty good. I appreciate your comment. Thank you. It's exactly what I'm saying. You understand? It's just that I came out in a mood I was annoyed. Because if you want to, you could see, I don't know if you follow us from the beginning. And you will see most of these things. If you didn't, I will please ask you to go and go back and watch the video. The way these Ishan people have been supporting Mokife, all these people, which they know that they are enemies. Benin and this time we are one. Like I said, Benin, they came from Isa. I mean, the Asian people, they came from the Benin. So we are one. The people that made that, that said that word, that they are not fools now. You understand? We didn't still say that. That one too has been existing for ages. Just like this other one, they say they are calling them. That name is there already. It's a pity. But those things, they were done in the olden days time. But when some missions also will not be using some words towards the Benis. So the Benis will say, what will we say to these people? Is then they will not still start calling. So in short, the both sides we have been wrong. We are wrong. Let's stop all this nonsense. The Benis are not too perfect. That was why I was annoyed. I said the Asians, they are wrong. Why must it be that John Osage that we all know that is a jovial person? He can say anything. Even before, me too, I used to be annoyed of him, but I now come and understand that he's a playboy. You know, he's not that old man now. If not be say, you know, I think they do all this work, all this, they do great things. So people go come, they use that kind of great big man eye to look at. No, it's not that old in age like that. So I now come to understand that really it's just the jovial type. So me, I can still say as Ishan take now it make me say, the Ishans too, they have been doing worse than this to the Benis. So why all this? You understand? So my people, we are all one. Ishan and Benin. I will still conclude with that, but I will still demand for the apology. We are all one. Let's forget about this hatred. Spreading hatred that may lead to other things that we cannot handle. Another time is very bad. We feel just they do and not say, me, I sabi right comment, you sabi right. It's a kind of fun or insult to both of us. This thing can lead to another thing, whereby Ishan and Benin go come pass as we expect them. So it's better we stop it, my people. You understand? Sometimes if some see use some kind word for us, not be everything we must reply. You just, because God is watching, no matter what. Okay, you see, it's like bad though. So that is true. Is this one calling from a messenger? Can't you see where people are calling from there? I have a number on the screen. It's pinned down. Please call through that number, not this. So, my people, let's stop this thing. Let's stop it. Let's stop it. Let's stop it. So some people just believe they can write comment. They can write comment. They don't know all those comments can cause another thing, another time. It can lead to something deadly in the future. Not the only word with the talk. So all this is like bedo. No, I don't want to repeat it now. During the olden days time, I saw this thing test out. Who knows if I can't reach that adage go still date it today, that proverb. So just like the ones we are still starting now, for it not to become something else in the future. So let's stop, my people. Even if somebody is doing something, you just try to be constructive, you know. Just reply back the person with love. Let's try this aspect of it. Because a lot of things on this Facebook have already gone wrong. So let's try to humble ourselves and to look at ourselves as brothers and sisters that we are. Please, let's not come and do other things from Facebook to hello.
Hello, Jay.
Call. Okay.
Umami ni contribute ni ni call ni keke ni comment ni. Mutayahi. People here do. But just to create problem.
Okay.
What is phone ni? Oh, we be sure. Why be they taught this one? Na lie. The one of them, you know, when they come, we be Bini. Well, we be Bini. Why this one?
Done.
And then the memoir they comment.
Ero salo boki an de yan ya.
And then we me. Then mommy love for show. First time no call la dona we forgive Monica. Now we saw you talk. As soon as I was online with that woman, we are making a commenter today call us. They start calling that woman, be insulting that woman. Where they in the piece, no go along the piece, go back home. No, banana got banana with you. Let me see.
Yeah, Magwale PC.
They insult that woman to Nova no se Sivasoni. Here you are calling, you were Wasua. The piece, no go along the piece, go. Let me. In a way, so I can be now. So what I mean is that I mean, were calling. You'll be surprised. They are not able Bini. They are not Isha. But just to create that problem, that's why when we like your I said just to create that problem, look what because a Sakamanaro
wait a minute, Johnny Yakana. I be a depression on your yakile nene depression on Muya.
People, because the man that's all the
because when me je me malake ke na na guezo you understand
any last video nezo wa je me wale cause me kwalo
wa go get star na nia ni awado do na keke na nia iya kama we ma we watch okpa not that I don't have the time but I hate all this I go you understand
like na mama okay e man coronavirus gbele kwa na ya mi re to ya agbina. Me ma understand.
Oh.
Enya we again na ma mi ya ku. Enu ga ki gbere ne again na wa ya ku ye gbere ko kenya.
Upon the people that have died this period, thousands.
Ona me se na me le video presenter ni buka ya lewe e salogwa o sa we se gi rapport. What about those people that is gone?
I don't know for them.
Ya wa gi yan ya be life video we so. Iya na ya me no ebo no gulo every day.
My.
It is January tiage na do ya me corona. Ya me millions of people no go. They don't think about that one. Just go to let it don't create a problem. Sometimes it also be one go ni na wa challenge ya na ya when you lava. When you lava because the problem is too much.
Yeah, I think la wa me tin go. Damn yo.
So. Okay. I'm not funny because the life you do before
because the problem is I do bungbe.
It's so much. Every mama, every mama, another commenter see they call you watch this.
I just look at through this live video near all those here can matana near. We know I think what the cause a tribal war na wahina as we keep prolonging dragging it. Who beg all this I see the cause of this live video presenter.
Believe me. You know there are a lot of Igbo people na parents.
Oh, one more man cause a confusion here a Biafra because metia Biafra you might say Biafra these are not Igbo at all. Because I love Igbo people, but these ones they are not real Igbos.
Yes.
Yeah, why you gang up near those you see oko. So only ato agbude enyati nogme ye fake akante that the fire of the Almighty God is going to be descend upon whoever is hiding under that fake account. That ato agbude kenivie sana dwogia o gareva kenivie do ana go dwogia o ya de baiva kenivie gbo ana wa be dwogia o ya de baiva Uwana gugwa Biafra no memenania. Evani ogwabe mume. Moki fesi agwabe rogevo do ogwabe arodo. in a way, the fire of the Holy Ghost, or he had destroy generation, his family. Oh, you were on that fake account, or you piano.
So that's to show you people where it is one more power the fight. This took but
if yes, my sister, I understand because I've seen several occasions when Maggie monkey face, but Ganimate ni mave werbe azio jona we gelegele ma get down na. So ina whenever ya babe minisu. Evani my work up boldly or wo ye sign here where no worry with debit for your back. You understand? So you have to call it joy see who is sane. Yeah, many things like that. So yeah, see who is sane ye do agbe yo
that devil no Yoruba Ghana. Only one no near ya na devac only one therefore near ya power be
yeah.
Something here was that devil. It don't know being or have it being.
You know. Bokpanya ino ye mokifesi laimi bukbona no huwe laimi bukbona o iani anniversary ike support the Benin and the non-Benin tribes that they too will equally share from it. They are not going to take what the woman when when you buy do ya suffer never. You understand? No, yeah, my even a boy yagbe, yeah, tea boy gbe, where I and then a vebo and then a rio, gie quaka, in a man near. I can hear a tea boy beninia, a boy gbe, where I tea bonny about or yana be a junuati, we go me, where my web be. One of the tea all go there. Ubege. Money memoir. Oh, my wagon, I mona wag baby or wakama. Oh, Yoje, West, call my women no attack because oh, West, I so much appreciate, I so much appreciate. Yeah, so no baweba because you make an any one. Nico, wow, God bless you and your family, your household, we mother. So, my people, thank you all so much. We have been long here, this video. It now come and have, let's say, part 1, part 2, because the other one went off. So, we thank God at least we've been able to deliberate on some very important issues. So I beg all of us will be one, Asians and Benin. Now see me now because the way me I become outside this morning. In fact, I just thank God for arresting my temper and being in control. So I beg all of us we are one. All these Benin people wanna see the call all these Asian talk to all these Asians anyhow. I beg Mona see stop my people, my Benin people and my Asian people. Please let us be one. We are one already, right from time. So when you used to hear that word, Esanvedo, where making another the word where Igbovedo. Have you guys heard that? Igbovedo by Mahin? No, it's only Esanvedo by Mahin. So please let's keep that unity, that love, and let it be so. So if some other Benin persons should write you a kind of a comment that can provoke you, that is annoying you, to try to temper, temper justice with mercy. Just try to forget about that person. Use a godly heart, because everything we are doing, I believe the God Almighty, the creator of this whole earth, is watching all of us. The God is always watching at us. So if somebody try to offend you through his comment, you too try to step down. It doesn't make you a fool. Instead of us, to continue to drag this thing, Benin, which may come and lead to another thing, another day. You understand? Already it has started causing a lot of havoc. Please, let's be one. We are one. If you two Esan persons, Benin person write to you, or and a Benin person a wrong comment that is supposed to make you get angry, you two try and calm down. Please. So we now feel because all these things now all these wayward presenters where they call themselves now they cause them. Because if they're not, they do their waywardness there, commenters and cannot come and start commenting on empty space. Those are the people, the wayward, these nuisance, these frustrated so-called presenters. They will start the whole thing before people now will not come and start defending their tribe, they writing comments here and there. Please. So make those presenters, as they say, na devil send them come to come destroy, make them they use their head and their family head they carry on. Not be we common commenters. You understand? So let's stop fighting ourselves, please. Thank you. Thank you all so much. I'm about to end this video. Please, my people, if I can call your name or not, please, so that this video will not be longer than this. Thank you all so much. Thank you for coming. Thank you. God bless you all. All right. Let me end it now. Yeah. Thank you, my baby girl. Thank you. God bless you. Yeah. Bye. Love you all so much. Love you. One love. Please. Let's keep one love. One love, please. All this fight between the Asians and the Benis on Facebook, because the ones at home, they don't know what is happening. They don't know the stupidity way that they do for Facebook. You understand? So let's stop this fight amongst the Edos. The whole of Edo State, the Ishans and the Benis, and other tribes too. Because the thing self, it go come the tire me say why it be say na so Ishan and Bini. You no go hear say na Urobo and Bini. You no go hear say na Shekiri and Bini. You know, go here say always Isha and Bini. So please, guys, let's stop it. Thank you all so much. Thank you for coming. May God Almighty bless you all. Thank you for your time you've spent here. Yeah, in one way or the other, you have participated. And please don't forget to share it to our people. Share this message to everyone. Thank you. I am from Esan land. I love Benin people the way I also love my people. I see everybody as one, but seeing them insulting my people, I don't like it. They need to stop it, and I'm coming because I need to. When did I read to? Anytime that I saw your video, I always love it because you stand for the truth. This Biafra matter, oh, thank you so much. This Biafra matter you are talking about, the last time I saw their video, they were insulting other states. I told them that if they are looking for Biafra, they don't need to bring down other states to get their Biafra, which is very of them, and I'm the one that told that Biafra to leave Benin people alone and change topic. Oh, thank you so much. This comment, pretty good. Thank you. I'm so glad. I'm happy. You see, this is our Ishan sister. Our Ishan sister that is writing this now. That she's Esan, but she loved Benin. Also, she even said she told this Biafra. This Umamadike. Because now that one be the AKA when I give her Umamadike. He said she told her to stop insulting Benin, that joining Biafra is not by force. They don't need to bring down other states. Exactly. You understand? Me, I never see this kind of Biafra for my life. My sister, I'm tired though. I said these ones, they are no Igbo, so they are just group of terrorists. A terrorist organization. If you see them, they just go about insulting everybody. They will be calling all women ashawo. You don't know if that woman is in her husband's house. You can't see them say something reasonable. All these illiterate Igbos, when I'm not sure they be even Igbo. You understand? The way they talk, they are mannerless. They are violent, full of violence wherever they are. Very arrogant group. I don't know where they come from. Oh. Igbos not be like this. They not be Igbo. This is a kind of some terrorist organization when they go form for inside that Nigeria. May God destroy them. That's why they take fight for freedom. Even they are so-called Nnamdi Kanu, that one equally is as arrogant as they are. You know, I don't know how to speak Igbo. I would have demonstrated the way he do it. You can't see any nice word from that man's mouth. A leader, you say you are a so-called leader. He's always violent, always arrogant. Insulting everybody. The other day say Buhari is dead, that he's being replaced by Jubri. Nothing won't you not go here for all this Biafra mouth. They go just go about insulting people, all tribes here and there. They don't know anything apart from insult. Person the first they say they fight Boko Haram and Fulani Hesme. Then one can still join this one again. How many person go come fight? May God help us. So please, my people, they are deceivers. So one day I'll still come out to talk about that the more. They are deceivers. These people, they are not Igbos. So that's that. They are not Igbos. So God forbid. If you allow this kind of person to say the freedom they are fighting to have it, don't you know the damages they are going to cause with this their violence? Their own person that day, see as they beat, and not only that, now so that they beat people everywhere they go. So thank you all so much. Thank you, my sister, pretty good. Yes, I will. Benin people, make una not the insult some people. I beg una, and they sound too. Please don't be insulting Benin, especially the one when they come they vex me. Might be when some mason go they call into these people where they use mouth, they throw because they don't mad. They throw mouth to where they're not supposed to throw, and to our great palace, our reverend palace. They throw mouth to our Father, our God. Or by why the second is our Father, he's our God. We don't joke with him, just like he don't joke with us. So when I go come to see with all those kind of things, they provoke person. You understand? So nevertheless, let's be one as always. I beg my people, may we come together. Let's stop using insultive comments on one another. Okay? Thank you. They know what they are doing. They want to use people in other states to get their Biafra. That is why they are using people in us. You see? You don't know. Very corny people, apart from they are so violent anyway. They know what they are looking for. So, my people, one Nigeria, please, let's keep on, because Nigeria is a great nation. He has never abandoned us. No matter how things have gone wrong, God Almighty himself is still going to put it in places. There are people there he has sent already. Yeah, to fix it back. So, thank you all so much. Thank you. Bye, my people. Love you. Pretty good doing. Thank you. I beg you, see help me. Just like me too, I'll still there, because me I know they like wahala at all. Because when wahala never connect person, they avoid them. You know, these things we are doing can lead to other things. So me, I go see they tell my people as well, or even somebody commenting to me in a way when I don't like, maybe being insultive. I go still try to dey calm down. You understand? So let's start like that. We are all one, my people. Thank you. All right, I will end it now. God bless you all. Bye. Till next time. Love you all so much.